Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your LG dryer is showing you the D80 error code, it simply means that the machine has detected about 80% airflow blockage in the vent system. So in order to fix it, you just have to first of all run the quick airflow test. So for that, simply disconnect the vent hose from the back, then run the dryer for a minute. If the code disappears, the blockage is in the external vent system and not inside the dryer. After doing so, you need to also remove the lint filter and clean it thoroughly. If needed, you can wash and then dry it. Fine lint buildup reduces the airflow more than you think. Then you can also simply clear the vent hose internally. Check inside the hose and do not just look outside. Use a brush or air to remove the lint stuck deep inside. Long hoses collect the heavy buildup. Now you need to also follow the duct path to the outside wall. Clean the entire line. Even partial blockage can trigger the D80 error. Now you can go outside and check the vent cap. It should open freely when air flows, and if it stuck or if it is blocking, the airflow gets restricted. Now if your hose is too long or has many bends, reduce the bends and keep it as straight as possible, and this also improves the airflow efficiency. So you can keep all of these things in mind in order to reduce or in order to basically eradicate the D80 code. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.